Now this is my screen. On this screen, if you see, it's desktop. Okay. Now you go to Windows. From there, you go to Windows Accessories. And then you click on Notepad. Notepad is an application where you can write an HTML. It is a very basic application. It is available on all the computers. Let it be any version, lowest to low or highest to high. So here you can start with the HTML program. The basic structure, let's start to write the HTML program with the basic structure. HTML, these are called tags. Okay. I'll just write the basic structure of HTML and then I'll explain you how it will work. How it works, actually, not how it will work, how it works. Okay. Now this is the basic structure of my HTML, where you start with HTML, then you write head. This is the head block and the body block. Okay. For head, this is the starting tag and this is the closing tag. Okay. This is the beginning tag. This is the closing tag. For body also, this is the beginning tag. This is the closing tag. And for HTML, this is the HTML document and this is the closing document. Okay. In head, we usually write a title to our web page, which will be displayed on the web browsers title bar. This is title, and then whatever title you want to give, my first web page. Uh-oh. And then title. Okay. Now, if you see this title and this title is looking the same. So are they same? No, they are not. And this is wrong. Why? Because title, this is the starting tag. But for the closing tag, you have to write a planting the slash over here. Okay. Now this is appearing very small. So let's zoom it. You go to view, zoom, zoom in. Control plus is the short key. So if I just on my computer, on my keyboard, if I start pressing control plus, see, you can see that the text is being, what do you say, enlarged, zoomed. Okay. Now let's run this program. First, you will go to file, then go to save as, and then you will save your document. First.html. Now, whenever you save your document, don't forget to write the extension .html. If you don't do that, your program or you will not be able to view it as a web page. Now, I will show you that here, if you see, there is a new text document .txt, and this is first.html. So I'll save this as first.html. Again, I will save this as first, just with the name of first. No HTML, nothing. It will again get saved. Now we will go to our web browser. Now we'll go to the location where our document is stored. If you see here, I have two files, first.html and first.txt. Where we had only written first, there you will see .txt is automatically come. In first.html, you will see, if I click on this, what will happen? If I click on first.html, my web page will be open. I'll just minimize this and maximize this. Okay. See, my first web page. It is show in this address bar. This is the title which we had written, my first web page. And this is e:student first.html. E:/student is the location and the folder where my HTML file is stored. So you will get this in this address bar. Okay. And then if I minimize this and come here, and if I click on this first.txt, it will just open this document as a plain text file. This is the basic mistake done by everyone initially when they start writing their HTML program. Now, even if you try ways to do it and open it in the web browser, then you will go to this, right click on the first file, then open with, then choose another app. In that you will try to get Chrome. Okay, fine, I cannot get Chrome, so I'll get Firefox. I cannot see Chrome in my list. I'm selecting Firefox. It is also another web browser. Yeah, I clicked on the web browser. Now what? See, now you will see what's happening. Same, in the address bar, you will find the location of the file. File is e:student first.txt. Okay. The title is also first.txt. See, we have written my first web page, but the content that is supposed to be viewed is the content of the HTML file, not the text of the HTML file. So that is the biggest blunder that every student initially creates when they are learning HTML. Okay. So what you have to do is always remember, save it as first.html. Now, when you want to edit this file, how will you do it? Because whenever you double click on this file, it will be opening in the browser. So if you want to edit this HTML file, just right click on it, go to open with, and then you can open with the, what do you say, where is that? Notepad. Okay. You can't find it here. We'll just go down. Oh, sorry. Look for more apps, then go to Notepad. Always open HTML files like this. So again, now it will open in the text format. So this is basically how you will write your HTML programs. Now there is a very big question. Is it necessary for you to have a computer or desktop? Oh, I cannot practice because I do not have a computer. Well, with HTML and many programming languages, now this is not the case. If you have a smartphone, you can easily just, what do you say, run your programs. Now I'll show you another way on smartphone how you can do your uh, HTML programs. So first I will stop sharing my screen. Okay. And then I'll start a new share from my mobile device. Now this is the screen of my mobile phone. Okay. Now what will happen is when I do this, I'll just show you. There is a decoder app. Let's see. Okay, I'll just minimize it again. If you go to applications, if you can see, this is the decoder app. I click on it. When I click on it, I've already installed it from Play Store. You can also do that. And this is my, then you go to create here. This is how you create. Then go to files and then create. In files, you have to select HTML file because we're doing HTML. So here, now you will write first dot. No, you don't have to write any dots. You just have to write whatever page you want to give. First web page. Okay. This is how you create it. The easy thing about this is you already get the structure of the HTML program in this. If you see this, you will already get this HTML. Okay. Then you will get the head. See, you will get the body. Okay. All these